to draw. How 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 to draw.
Hi there, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, Connor is going to be showing us how to draw a wizard. Get yourself a pencil and pen and we'll make a start. Remember to subscribe if you like this video and be the first to know when we add more. We'll start off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. So, make sure you have everything you need and let's get going! Connor starts by drawing a circle shape in the middle of the page, followed by another curve below it, coming down and back up to meet the circle. Then, starting from just inside the curve, Connor draws another slightly wavy line vertically. Once you do this, draw a similar line, almost symmetrical, to the right. Next, draw a big wavy line underneath the shape you've just drawn, making sure that it curves upwards at both ends. To give our wizard those iconic pointy wizard shoes, draw a line down from the upward curves and along to create a little foot shape on each side. We all know wizards have big wizardy sleeves, kind of like trumpets. So, to make sure we get these trumpet sleeves right, watch what Connor does. Start by drawing an oval on the right-hand side of the page. Then, connect the oval to the main sketch by bringing two curved lines across, making sure they're drawn narrower as we get towards the main body. This makes the sleeves look wide and gets that trumpet shape we're after. Do the same on the other side. Next, add in 4 fingers along the top of the sleeves, as if the wizard is jumping out to surprise you. The next part we're going to sketch is the wizard's beard. To do this, bring a curve down from the middle circle shape and up again to intersect with the sleeve. Bring another line down to create a point and curve it back upwards to touch the other side of the middle circle. Another thing that we have to remember is a pointy wizard's hat. Connor starts us off by creating a sketch of the wide brim of the hat, bringing a curved line from the bigger circle shape all the way up and over the small circle and back around to connect with the other side of the bigger circle again. Add 2 small curves at either side of the circle to give our wizard some ears to hear with. Then, we have to add a big smiling mouth, 2 eyes, and a little squiggle for the eyebrows. Oops! What did we forget? Only the most wizardy part of the drawing, the pointy hat. Draw a curved triangle shape up from the brim of the hat we already did. Draw a line in the middle of the main body and add a nose in to complete the sketch of the face. Remember, we've only done the fingers and not the actual hands. Connor's going to show us how to add our hands in by drawing 2 curved ball shapes underneath where the fingers are. Magical work! The first part of our drawing is complete. Now, we're going to add some outlines and some detail. So grab a pen and let's do it! First, we're going to start with the beard. Follow the line down on the left side and look closely at what Connor is doing as we go along the bottom. He stops his pen and creates an almost jagged line to show some texture. Now outline the nose, being careful to follow your initial sketch, and bring the beard up to connect with the nose. For our wizard's mouth, we want to come slightly inside the sketch that we drew. This is to give us space for his lips, just like Connor is showing us. We're going to continue adding in our facial details by outlining the eyes, our squiggle above the eyes, and the ears too. Once you've done this, we can move on to making the wizard's eyebrows look really fluffy, just like so. Outline the shape of the wizard's hat next, adding a little line across the way at the bottom. The hands could be quite tricky, so do your best to follow the sketches you've made and keep an eye on how Connor does this. Outline the shape of the sleeves, and once you've done this, draw a small line from the hand to the sleeve outline. This gives more depth to the wizard by showing his hands and arms coming out from inside the sleeves. Connor shows how big the sleeves are by drawing another curve slightly inside the main outline of the sleeve opening. It makes it look like the material has all bunched up, all helping our wizard to come to life. Then, outline the main parts of the sleeve. Now we're going to move on to the feet. This part is easy enough. Just follow your initial sketch round. In the same way we wanted to make the sleeves look bunched up, we do the same with the main cloak. Like Connor shows, draw a curve up from the feet and inside the cloak outline on each side. Next, begin your outline of the main body. But don't come all the way down. Stop where we drew our horizontal sketch across the middle. Draw a squiggly line across and up to touch the sleeves. We're going to add a belt next, so draw a straight line down, across, and up again, before continuing the bottom half of the cloak. Brilliant work! We just need to add in a few small details now to really bring our wizard to life and add some magic. Add just a few lines to show how the material is baggy, and to the brim of the hat, and also inside the ears. Add in 2 small dots for the eyes and some more small curves on the palms of the hands to give the wizard that 3D effect. Now draw in some lines to the wizard's beard to give it some more texture. Don't forget to give him some teeth. Nearly done. We're going to add in the belt buckle now by drawing 2 lines down and 3/4 of a square inside. Now to add some magic. Draw some little stars around the wizard's hands to show his magic powers. Abracadabra! That's us completed our wizard. Well done for a spectacular effort. Why not grab some colouring pencils or pens? You could decorate his clothes and hat, and even give him a magic wand. If you enjoyed the video as much as we did, remember to subscribe. There'll be even more videos like this to come with loads of different things to draw and colour. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.